Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making some delicious oven-baked ribs. But before we start, don't forget to click and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes. First, let's remove the excess moisture from the ribs using some paper towels. This will help the dry rub stick to the meat better. Now it's time to remove the membrane. If you don't remove this, it can make the ribs tough and chewy. So be sure not to skip this step. To add some extra flavor and tenderize the meat, we're going to use some mustard. Don't worry, the mustard flavor won't overpower the taste of the meat. After applying the mustard, add your choice of dry rub seasoning generously and pat it onto the meat. Flip the ribs over and repeat the process on the other side. Once you're done seasoning, cover the ribs with foil on a baking sheet and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Place the ribs in the oven and let them cook for 3 hours. We promise, the wait will be worth it. After 3 hours, take out the ribs and add your favorite barbecue sauce. Pop them back in the oven for an additional 5 minutes. And voila, your delicious oven-baked ribs are ready to be devoured. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Happy cooking!